Hey there guys, this is Chris at MyFactoryModels. Latest little update on the Tiger 1 1944, the little Airfix 176, and what handsome little beast he is, all tricked out in his new clothing, new metal parts put on. Well, I say new parts, they're my kind of semi-bodged, scratch-built metal parts, which I've done out of a sheet of little sheets of soft metal with zimmer it along the sides. Got to do some little amounts of filling in various places, but I think it kind of works. Gives it a bit more surface incidence, surface detail for the eye, and it's stuck on your little shelf or display cabinet if you're lucky enough to have one. So yeah, I've basically moulded over these soft metal tiny sheets which I've cut out over the air vents, and then I've punctured the holes again. It was actually trickier than it looks. I've had to use quite a bit of super glue to keep them on, because the regular cement, the panels were coming back off again. So that's you can see that there. And then on the rear of the tank hull I've put some exhaust protectors, some cans on the back if you like, some cans on the back, and the same on the front with the zimmer at the spare track for the extra protection, as well as carrying the spare track parts in case they break down. And again I've put some more metal along the front there. I'm going to probably put some filler in amongst the little areas of this, like also along there. As you can see, it's not really adhered that well. There's a few gaps, but yeah, it's coming on for a little tank, little 5 or 6 pound tank. It's been a fun build and stretched me a little, thinking, well, what can I do to make this look a bit more interesting? So excuse me, there we have it. Also on the turret I've metalized the gun barrel, make that a bit more interesting and a little bit stronger. So that's also got a metal sheet around it. Also done some more plating on the sides, so it gives it, like I say, a little bit more surface incident for the eye, surface detail. Yeah, nothing amazing, but I think she's tricked out. Sorry, he. Can't really call a Tiger Tank 1 she, I don't think. I'm going to get loads of complaints on the comments now for saying that. But I think he's tricked out, this little beast, he's tricked out nicely with these extra little add-ons. Good fun. So yeah, he's tricked out quite nicely. Lots of priming to do now. Layers of primer, and then get down to some painting and maybe some little extra. I'm probably going to go on and do more and more on this until I totally ruin it. But there we go. Put some oil cans on, or some logs, or whatever you're meant to do, camouflage nets, everything. Now, so yeah, onto the painting stage next, some more priming, and the tracks obviously need to go on. So there he is, the little metal Tiger. Little metal Tiger, ready for the next and final stages. Okay, thanks for watching guys, everybody else, anyone else. Take care and happy modelling.